Hi everyone, today I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of the remote debugging feature which HeadSpin provides. So HeadSpin supports any test stream by exposing its platform devices as locally connected devices. And once a device is connected, you can interact with it through Xcode, Android Studio, or any other tool as if it is physically connected to the local machine. To use this remote debugging feature, you need two prerequisites. All you got to do is just go to the settings option. And once you land up on the settings page, you need to download the HeadSpin CLI first, according to the configuration, either Windows, Linux, or Mac. And post that, you need to take care of the API, which is specific to every user. Now, all you need to do is just boot up a device and go to this tools section. And here in this remote debugging option, copy this. Post that, go to the path where you downloaded the CLI and type in CMD and open up the command prompt and enter that. Now you see the Samsung Galaxy S20 device is connected. Type in devices to see the list of the devices attached. And to disconnect this device, just type in just disconnect, and this particular device would be disconnected from your system. Pretty simple, right? So this was all about the remote debugging.